Welcome to Generation Gains, the channel that's all about taking control of your financial future. In today's video, we're going to break down how you can build a $1 million portfolio by 2025. It may sound like a big goal, but trust me, it's absolutely achievable, especially if you follow the right strategy, stay disciplined, and make smart choices along the way. So grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's jump into how you can reach that seven-figure mark. When it comes to building wealth, time is your best friend. The earlier you start investing, the more time you have for your money to grow. But here's the thing, starting early isn't enough on its own. You need to stay consistent. Whether you're contributing $100 or $1,000 each month, the key is putting in the work consistently over time. Let's say you invest $500 a month in a diversified portfolio. With compound interest, that's going to start adding up quickly. The longer your money has to grow, the bigger the snowball effect. Even if you're only investing small amounts at first, staying consistent can lead to a substantial amount by 2025. So get started now and don't wait for the perfect moment. Next up, step 2, invest in high-growth assets. This is where the magic happens. If you want to grow your portfolio quickly, you need to invest in assets that have the potential for high returns. Savings accounts, bonds, and CDs are safe, but they're not going to get you to a $1 million portfolio anytime soon. Instead, look at assets that can grow significantly over time, like stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies. Tech stocks, for instance, have been on fire recently. Look at companies in artificial intelligence, clean energy, and biotech. These sectors are seeing explosive growth. And let's not forget about real estate. You can invest in rental properties, REITs, real estate investment trusts, or crowdfunding platforms. But here's the most important part, diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Make sure you're spread across multiple sectors to manage risk while still capturing strong growth potential. Step 3 is all about tax strategy. You need to understand how to make your money work harder for you, and that means using tax-advantaged accounts. In the US, accounts like Roth, IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs can help you grow your wealth faster by reducing your tax burden. For example, with a Roth IRA, your money grows tax-free, and when you withdraw it in retirement, you won't pay a penny in taxes. That's huge. Similarly, 401k contributions are tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on the money you contribute until you withdraw it in retirement. By using these accounts, you get to keep more of your investment gains, which helps your portfolio grow even faster. One of the best ways to make sure you stay on track with your $1 million goal is to automate your investments. Setting up automatic monthly contributions takes the emotion out of investing. This way, even if you get busy or distracted, your money is still working for you. Automation also helps you stay consistent. Whether you're using platforms like Vanguard, Betterment, or Wealthfront, you can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment accounts each month. This turns investing into a habit, and before you know it, you'll have built a significant portfolio with minimal effort. Step 5 is crucial, understanding and embracing market volatility. In 2025, we can expect the markets to be up and down. Stock prices will fluctuate, interest rates may rise, and economic conditions will change. But here's the truth, volatility isn't your enemy, it's your opportunity. Here's why. When markets dip, stocks become cheaper. So instead of panicking, take advantage of the lower prices. This is a great time to buy stocks at a discount, especially if they're companies you believe in for the long term. The key is to stay calm, trust the process, and know that markets go in cycles. If you ride out the downturns, you'll likely see massive rewards when the market recovers. Step 6 is leveraging real estate. Real estate has been a proven wealth-building tool for generations. Whether you're buying rental properties, investing in REITs, or getting involved in real estate crowdfunding, this is a space you don't want to ignore. Rental properties provide a reliable stream of passive income, and the property can appreciate over time, giving you long-term wealth. If owning physical property doesn't sound appealing, REITs and crowdfunding platforms make it easier to get involved in real estate with a smaller investment. These are great ways to benefit from real estate growth without the hassle of managing properties. Step 7. Take calculated risks and stay flexible. Building a $1 million portfolio doesn't mean playing it safe all the time. You need to take some calculated risks. But don't just jump into something because it's trending. Do your research, understand the risks involved, and make sure the potential reward outweighs the risk. Emerging markets and cryptocurrencies are great examples of high-risk, high-reward opportunities. While these investments can provide substantial returns, they can also be very volatile. So balance your higher-risk investments with safer, more stable ones. This way, your portfolio can grow while still being protected from major losses. Finally, Step 8. Review and rebalance your portfolio regularly. As time passes, the performance of your investments will change, and some assets will grow faster than others. Rebalancing your portfolio ensures that it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Make it a habit to review your portfolio at least once every 6 months. During this time, check if any of your assets are taking up too much of your portfolio or if you need to adjust your contributions. Rebalancing keeps your portfolio on track and helps you stay focused on your long-term goal of hitting that $1 million mark by 2025. Let's do a quick recap of the 8 steps to building a $1 million portfolio by 2025. Start early and be consistent. Invest in high-growth assets. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Automate your investments. Understand and embrace market volatility. Leverage real estate investments. Take risks and stay flexible. Review and rebalance regularly. By following these steps and staying disciplined, you can grow your wealth and hit that $1 million goal. It's not about timing the market or relying on luck. It's about making smart, consistent decisions over time and letting the power of compounding and diversification work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with more tips and strategies to help you grow your wealth. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let us know what your investment goals are for 2025. Thanks for watching Generation Gains, and we'll see you in the next video.